Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. Doing a little bit something different here today. Outside videos and pictures of this 1967 Plymouth GTX. Yes, this is a real RS GTX 1967. It has a 440 underneath the hood. It is a factory 440 car with a numbers matching engine. I have not looked at that VIN number yet, but we bought the car as a numbers matching engine. 440, factory 4-speed, factory power steering, blood red in color, white interior. I'm telling you what, these cars are super hard to find, and when you do find one, you better buy it, because I have a black one personally that I will not let go of. If I didn't have the black one, I'd probably keep this red one. Now, this car has just had a cosmetic restoration. It's had some interior stuff done, and it's had one repaint in its life. Other than that, this car has not been restored. It hasn't had a frame-off restoration. It is everything you would expect in a classic muscle car. It has the Magnum 500 wheels with the BF Goodrich Radial TA raised white leather tires. Beautiful, beautiful car. Yes, there's a few imperfections back here in this back piece, which those pieces are very hard to find, and there's a little bit of corrosion on the taillight bezels, which those are really hard to find as well. A train going around the background there, if you can't hear me, but the body lines, the door gaps, the fender gaps, the hood gaps in this car are very nice. The stainless and bright work looks very good on this car. The glass is all in good shape. You can look down on the bottom of this car. I don't see any signs of any bubbling or blistering on this car, and I'm sure this car's probably been painted for 15 or 20 years. Again, the front grille, you'll see a few chips in the black on the front grille. A couple scuffs down here in the front bumper. The car runs great, it drives good, the speedometer works, all the gauges seem to work, the lights seem to work on the car. It is one beautiful Mopar. And that really sets it off is this white interior, red and white interior, white bucket seats, factory center console, factory 4-speed. Interior of this car is really, really nice. The carpet, the seats, the headliner, the package tray with your speakers, sail panels, sun visors. There's your jams, your door panels. Very nice, clean, solid car. It's running right now. It sounds great. Doors open and shut nice. Just a beautiful, beautiful muscle car. Like I say, you don't see these cars every day. You don't get the chance to buy these cars. Underneath the hood, like I say, all original appearing. Got the original stock exhaust manifolds on it. Painted firewall and inner fenders. Bottom of the hood is nice. Other than the hard to find and hard to get items on these cars, this thing is really, really immaculate. Even on my personal 67 GTX, you can find a little bit of pitting in the taillight bezels, and the front bumper isn't perfect on my car either. You can get those bumpers from Bumper Boys. They do re-chrome the bumpers and sell them. You can buy them and get a core, and you can send your bumper in as a core and get a re-chromed one. But this car is a very, very nice 1967 Plymouth GTX 440 4-speed car. And it does have upgraded LED lights here and your marker lights. So those are nice and bright when you turn the signals on. Same with this side. Seat, carpet, steering wheel, horn works. Gauges work. Wipers work. Radio works. Tail lights. Turn signals. Yeah, it's pretty out here. I can't tell if that license plate light's working or not. Just an absolutely gorgeous 67 Plymouth GTX. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. 563-452-2450. Check us out on our website, www.kenyonauto.com. Headlights all work. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every single day. So please give us a call if you're interested in buying this beautiful 67 GTX or maybe one of the other cars that we have in stock. And please hit the subscribe button on the bottom of this YouTube video. That way you never miss another great collector car from Kenyon Classics. I hope you all have a wonderful afternoon and a great evening, and I will talk to you later, guys. Thank you.